Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this ODYS Thanos tablet, and let me show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. First of all, open up the Play Store. Here at the search bar, just go ahead and type in Opera, just like so. Next you want to tap on the green install button and wait for the app to get downloaded and installed respectively. As you will see now, it will not take a lot of time, so we will simply wait. Now we can go ahead and open the browser. Here, just tap on allow. And basically that ultimately means that we are all set and can go ahead and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.